In this video, we explore the Select by Similar tool, which was introduced as part of the TurboCAD Platinum 2019 product. The Select by Similar tool allows you to quickly pick objects of similar properties. Properties such as entity type, pen color style, brush color style, layer, attributes, object style, and properties. In addition, you can select less traditional properties such as plane, matrix, 2D, 3D. The Select by Similar tool is located in the Edit, Select By, Similar option. Note that if nothing is selected, the Similar option is disabled. Let's demonstrate this tool with an example file using a variety of different properties. Our first example will select all the objects in the same layer. So let's select an entity in the desired layer, then select Edit, Select By, Similar, and we'll pick our property and click OK. Note all objects in that layer are now selected. Next, we'll select all objects with the same line font style. Select the entity with the desired property, go to the Edit, Select By, Similar, and this time we'll pick pen style and we'll disable layer and click OK. Note that by default, the Similar Options dialog box displays each time you enter the command. You can change this behavior by disabling the Show This dialog before Select option. Once you select this option, you will need to go to the Select By, Similar options to change the properties checked. Another handy option in this dialog box pertains to working with groups and blocks. If you would like to use the tool to select entities that are nested inside these hierarchical entities, enable the Lookup in Groups and Blocks Insertions checkbox. This is disabled by default.